this is Dominic Daughtry with Sundt Construction, and this video is going to show everybody how to share links to files within a studio project. And this function within Bluebeam, and specifically the studio, is one of the most unknown and unused functions that I've seen in Bluebeam, and it's extremely powerful. So getting started, just go over here to the studio. We're going to go into the CSU San Bernardino project. Click on that. We're going to go to the public folder, and we're going to go to the RFI responses folder. And what we're going to show in our demo here is how to share one of these RFIs. And it's any file whatsoever within a studio project. It doesn't have to be a PDF. It can be a Navisworks file, a Revit file, a Word doc, an Excel doc. It doesn't matter. Any file within the studio project you can share with a link. So what you want to do is right click on any of the files, go to share link. You have the ability to share this link where they can download it for the lifetime of the project or 24 hours. If you want to limit the time that they can download it, you can click and require a password if you like, and flatten all markups as well if you hit that. So we're going to get the link. It's going to produce the link. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to go to our email. And the really great thing about this is when sharing links like this, the other person that you're sharing with does not have to have Bluebeam. As long as they have a web browser, they can download it and use whatever PDF software they have. All right, please see to download RFI response. And this is a great way to share documents within the studio if somebody is not a part of the studio, invited, doesn't have Bluebeam, or is just an external stakeholder that doesn't have access. Click that, and this is exactly what comes up, and they have the ability to download it. Like I said, they don't need to have Bluebeam. They can have any PDF software. And here is the RFI that we shared. Hope everybody enjoyed. Thank you.